So the next type in acid base is Lewis acid and bases. So if suppose I am having H plus, I can identify the H plus donor as acid and H plus acceptor as base according to Laurie-Bronsted concept, and H plus donor is acid and OH minus donor is base according to Arrhenius concept. But if suppose my compound is not having any H plus or OH minus, so how I can determine the type whether it is an acid or base? For example, a good example is BF3, AlCl3 and so on. And we are having substances like NH3, the compounds like NH3, which will be acting as an electron donor. So here in Lewis acid base concept, we are having electron donor acceptor concept. So electrons, a pair of electron that is called to be lone pairs, which is an unreacted pair, lone pairs which are unreacted pairs, that will be donated from a central atom or that will be accepted by a central atom. For example, take BF3. BF3 is having 3 electrons in the outermost orbit. So with the fluorine, it will have bonds like this. And according to Lewis concept, if I am taking in this, we are having 6 electrons. So this boron is meant to be electron deficient compound. This electron deficient compounds will accept electron for its stability from electron donors. For example, take NH3. We will have 5 electrons in the outermost orbit, which is having tetrahedrally bonded, including this lone pair. And here, if I take the stability according to Lewis concept, NH3 is a stable molecule, and this lone pair from NH3 is donated towards BF3. So this is a lone pair donor, and this is lone pair acceptor. So lone pair acceptors are simply Lewis acids. Lone pair donors are Lewis bases. So the basic character of such compounds depends on how effectively it will donate the lone pair. And these Lewis acids are electron deficient compound. So as you are having a comparison between boron and aluminium. So boron is having an effective pull towards the electron which is donated from the compound. So definitely this is a better Lewis acid. So finally I conclude Lewis acids are electron acceptor, pair of electron acceptor, and Lewis bases are pair of electron donors. So finally, to conclude the types of acid and bases, here we are having Arrhenius acid which will donate H plus, and Laurie-Bronsted acid which will donate H plus, and Arrhenius bases will donate OH minus donor, and Laurie-Bronsted bases which will accept H plus. And differently, we are having Lewis concept, Lewis acid, they are lone pair acceptors, and Lewis acids, they are lone pair donors.